Hey guys, Carrie here again from Byrider of Madison. Just wanted to kind of talk a little bit about, Earth Day's coming up. So, talking about things that are good for the environment and things like that. I want to talk a little bit about eco mode that you probably have seen in some of your vehicles. I know a lot of our vehicles that we have in the lot right now have this. Just kind of want to explain a little bit about what it is and what it does for you. So, eco mode is a mode that a lot of vehicles have. Typically, you have your standard mode, eco mode, and sport mode. Eco mode, what that does is it limits the power of the vehicle, and it kind of prevents you from kind of being a little heavy foot on the gas pedal. So it makes it to where the engine is not working as hard, which in turn means you're using less gas. So that is the primary benefit. Now, a few things to consider when it comes to eco mode. You really only want to use eco mode when you are going lower speeds, typically like 45 miles per hour or lower. A good example would be like in town. If you're running errands around town, it's a great way to save on that gas because typically you don't really need that power from the engine to pull out into traffic. That is another consideration. You don't want to use it when you're driving on a highway or merging onto a highway where you need that power from the engine to get up to speed. So definitely definitely look into that. Like I said, benefits. You're gonna get improved fuel economy, so that's gonna help you. The environment portion of it is going to have fewer emissions, which is good, and then that's less wear and tear in your car, which equals more money in your pocket, on top of saving the money on the gas. So, just some things to consider with eco mode. But yeah, again, this is Carrie from Byrider. Talk to you again soon.